So if your Chrome browser starts behaving in a way that you don't want, let's say for example, you may want to try resetting out the settings. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the three dot icon, and then you need to go into settings right here. So once you do that, on the left side, you can see that you can click on the advanced button right here. And then once you do that, you can see that reset and cleanup is an option. So once you click on it, here you can see that there's restore settings to their original default is an option. So if I were to click on this one, you can see that it says, do you really want to reset the settings? So this will reset your startup page, your new tab page, search engine and everything. So once you click on reset settings, what happens is that all of the default browser settings gets applied. You also have an option to clean up computer, but once you click on this, then this is actually an option to find harmful software in your computer that Chrome provides. So once you reset the settings, you can see that the account has been set onto pause mode. So you have to sign in again to actually get it in the way, like if you want to sync everything out. And the browser behaves as if it was fresh. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.